I would like to speak on the calling attention moved by Praveen Arlekar. Speaker sir, it is very important to maintain peace and harmony in Goa. Goa is known, Speaker sir, to be a land of communal harmony. Our leader, Bab Rahul Gandhi, had initiated a Bharat Jodo Yatra to spread message of peace and harmony and unite the country. Speaker sir, this government must take strict action against all such organizations or persons across political affiliations, religion, who spread hatred and indulge in divisive politics. No one should be protected who spread hatred. Speaker sir, this calling attention is relying on news of activities. Today, WhatsApp universities creates lots of news. The government needs to be vigilant at all times. The government should not allow false and misleading news to spread. It is the duty of the government to ensure the safety and security of the people. Speaker sir, I once again appeal to all to ensure that we spread love and affection, peace and harmony and protect the fabric brotherhood in Goa.
Speaker sir, Goa Police is keeping the surveillance over the activity of the Popular Front of India PFI. Even before the outfit was declared banned, the Goa Police has registered the case against the outfit of the organization Unlawful Assembly. In this regard, the two cases under the relevant section IPC was registered in the police station Fatorda, and in both the cases the 18 persons were arrested. Pursuant is important of the ban by the Government of India, in large number of activities, 32 of the PFI were arrested under the prevent section of the criminal PC. These arrests were made in the areas of the police station Fatorda, police station Maina Kurtari, police station Vasco, police station Valpai, police station Fonda and police station Madgaon. All the offices of the outfit were sealed and the various documents related to the outfits were seized and handed over to the respective district magistrate. A sharp watch is being kept and over the erstwhile member of the banned outfit. And based on the information provided by the Deputy Director of the Income Tax Investigation Belgaum and also the Inspector, the Special Branch of the Goa Police, indicating the funding of the PFI activity in the state of Goa, the case under the section 186, 201, 120B IPC and section 13(1)A, 13(1)B and 13(2) Unlawful Activity Preventing Act 1967 aimed in the year 2019 and was registered at the Crime Branch Police Station against the one Altaf Sayyed and his associate. Pursuant of the registration of this case and search warrants has been obtained the office premises and the residence of Altaf Sayyed were searched. Thereafter, the office premises of the PFI situated at Madgaon was also searched. In addition, the office premises of the Humano Welfare Trust office and sympathizer organization of the PFI situated at Shirwadem, Margaon was also searched. Altaf Sayyed and 23 persons connected with the offense were thoroughly interrogated in the case. And during the course of the investigation, it came in the light Altaf Sayyed has been funding the political group called We for Fatorda, and also the investigation is still under process. And during the investigation, it is also came to the light the Hyderabad police had registered the case against Altaf Sayyed under the section 387, 347, residence of 34 IPC. He was placed under the arrest in the matter. Sharp vigil has kept in the activity of the PFI and their members and supporting including the accused Altaf Hussain. Speaker sir, हाज्या रिलेटेड म्हाका दिसता अल्ताफ सय्यद आनी ताज्या रिलेटेड ह्या सगळ्या लोकांक अरेस्ट केल्ले आसा. हांगाच न्ही तर ताका हैदराबाद पोलिसांनी बी म्हणजे एक्स्टॉर्शनच्या अंतर्गत अरेस्ट केल्लो आसा. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियान ताका बॅन केला. तांची हांगासली सगळी ऑफिसां आमी बॅन केल्ली आसा. तांकां प्रिव्हेंटीव अरेस्ट केसीस तांचेर घातलेल्यो आसा. स्पीकर सर, ताजेर क्रायम ब्रांचीन 102 सेक्शन 86 201, 120B, IPC section 13(1) ही सगळी लायिल्ली आसा. क्रायम ब्रांचीन त्याची केस सुरू आसा आणि त्याच बरोबर ताजी ज्या जाग्यार बाकीची सगळी रिलेटेड NGOज बाकीच्या सगळ्या हाज्या बरोबर तिच्यो केसीस आसा त्यो सगळ्यो रजिस्टर्ड केल्ल्यो आसा. क्रायम ब्रांचीसच्या सांगपाचें जाल्यार 62/2023 ही सेक्शन गांधीनगर पोलीस स्टेशन हैदराबाद तेलंगणा हांगासरूय बी ताका अरेस्ट जाल्या. स्पीकर सर, एक लक्षात घेयात की PFIच्यो एक्टिविटीज ह्यो कनेक्टेड टू द हैदराबादूय आसा. म्हणजे इट इज नॉट ओनली रिलेटेड टू द गोंय. आमचें गोंय जे सातत्यान आमी म्हणटा की कम्युनल हार्मोनी खातीर जाणलें वता, हे खंय तरी डिस्टर्ब करपाचो स्पीकर सर हो प्रयत्न आसा. अशा ऑर्गनायझेशनांक तूं म्हटलां तशें आमी खंयसरूच थारो दिवचे ना आनी अशा पद्दतीन जे कोण ह्या ऑर्गनायझेशनांक सपोर्ट करता तांची बी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जी आसा ही थॉरोली केली वयतली आनी इन डिटेलान म्हणजे ती जाय जाल्यार आनीकूय नांवां आसा म्हणजे हेंची बट हे आत्तां हांवें सर्कुलेट करपाक लायला तितून लिमिटेडूच 1-2 नांवां आसा बट हेज्या संदर्भात जेंका अरेस्ट केल्या जी ऑर्गनायझेशन हेज्या बरोबर आसा जेंका फंडींग करता जे तांकां फंडींग करता जेंचे अकाउंट रिलेटेड जे आसा पळय न्हू हे सगळे जे आसा सीज केले वयतले आनी हांचेर सगळ्यांचेर वेगवेगळे तुजे वास्को पुलीस स्टेशन फोंडा पुलीस स्टेशन्स वाळपय पुलीस स्टेशन मडगांव पुलीस स्टेशन कुर्तोलीम पुलीस स्टेशन ह्या सगळ्यांच्या रिलेटेड तेंचे केसीस ज्यो आसा ह्यो लिंक करून वांगडाच सगळी तेंची नांवाची लिस्टय बी खूब 23 जणांची वेगळी नांवाची लिस्ट आसा त्या ती अशा पद्दतीन जे कोण सपोर्ट करता ह्या सगळ्यांचेर स्ट्रिक्टली स्पीकर सर एक्शन घेतली वयतली. ह्यान फुडें PFIच्यो एक्टिविटीज आमच्या गोंयांत तरी हाज्या फुडें चलोवपाक दिवच्यो वयच्यो ना. त्या ती म्हाका दिसता फियर आनी एन्जायटी जी लोकांच्या तकलेन आसा ह्या PFI पासून गोंयान कशाच पद्दतीचो त्रास जावचो न्ही हाजी पुरेपूर काळजी सरकार हाज्या फुडें घेतले.